In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install a Bluetooth driver in Ubuntu. First, we need to open the terminal. Now, let's install the main Bluetooth package. In the terminal, type the following command: sudo apt install Bluetooth, then press enter. You'll be asked to enter your password. Ubuntu will now download and install the Bluetooth package. If it asks you whether to continue, just type Y and press enter. Wait a few moments until the process finishes. Next, we need to start the Bluetooth service. To start the Bluetooth service, type this command: sudo systemctl start Bluetooth, press enter. This turns Bluetooth on for your current session. But if you restart the computer, it won't start again automatically unless you enable it. So now let's enable it to start every time the system boots. Type this command: sudo systemctl enable Bluetooth. Then press enter. That's it. Bluetooth is now installed and running on your system. You can check if it's working by opening the system menu and clicking on Bluetooth settings. There, you should see the option to turn Bluetooth on or off. Thanks for watching.